Imagine looking back in 5 years, wishing you'd started investing today. Don't let that be your story. Here's the truth. Investing isn't just for Wall Street pros. It's for anyone who wants their money to work harder than they do. The earlier you start, the more powerful your results. Why? Because of compound growth. Money invested today doesn't just sit there. It multiplies over time, especially over 3, 5, or 10 years. Now let's get specific. Take-Two Interactive, or TTWO, is about to drop GTA 6, the most hyped game of the decade. Every time they release a Grand Theft Auto title, their stock goes through the roof. Imagine owning a piece of that success before the world goes wild. Investors who buy before that launch could see serious gains, not just from the stock price jumping, but from getting in early. But here's the catch. You have to act before the headlines. Wealth isn't about timing the market perfectly, it's about time in the market. So, are you ready to put your money to work? Your future self will thank you, 3, 5, 10 years from now. Start now. Because the only bad investment is the one you never make.